Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Redmi Buds 3 Pro. And the first one is a classic one, to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headphones. And right here we can see LED lights, so it means that it's charging. Cool. The second one, you can use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. It looks like this, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see LED light, so it means that it's charging. Now, these headphones also support wireless charging. So just put it to wireless charging station, you can find a good position, and as you can see, it works. And because of that, it works of course with a reverse wireless charging, so you should enable it on your phone, and your phone should have it, of course, and also just put it here, find a good position, and as you can see, it works. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!